class, but turn number one, I think you saved that title on your elbow and your knee.
Quite abrupt sirens, rear wheel on Bagana's front wheel. So Oliveira has finally found his way through. He's unlocked the door then to get through into second place on the Alex Marquez. Now can he, has he got the rhythm with just touch, quite abrupt sirens, rear wheel on Bagana's front wheel. So Oliveira has finally found his way through. He's unlocked the door then to get through into second place on the Alex Marquez. Now can he, has he got...
You are the world champion, you're 6th in 8 years, you're 4th in the Premier class, but turn number one, I think you saved that title on your elbow and your knee. You are the world champion, you're 6th in 8 years, you're 4th, you are the world...
Al super fare pole position sobre il special marche e actualmente si pone parte by side tengo con la persona che lo ha e se mette la persona marche
Rồi cho ta marah rồi lah. Nangyari na marah na.
Belok ka kanan sa takale, belok ka sa kiri sa takale. Tapi na lampang ako hede, gagamba ka naman guys, kada akong tayo.
Terima kasih lah. Thank you kan.